A hash function is any algorithm that maps data of arbitrary length to data of a fixed length. So no matter what sort of data you put in, you always get a variable within a certain range. As an example of a simple hash function, let's take a string, convert every character of the string to a number, add them all together, and mod the result by 100. This is about as simple as a hash function can possibly get. Let's call it the cheese hash. No matter what string you put in, you are going to get a result from 0 to 99. The same string will always produce the same result. On top of that, the hash function is one way. Cheese will always produce 21, but if we have 21, we can't necessarily guess that cheese was the initial value. A hash collision is when two different inputs produce the same output after having been run through the hash function. My hash function has a small number of possible outputs, so the chance of a collision is very high. If my hash were to produce 512 bits of output, with an equal chance of producing results across all 512 bits, like some popular cryptographic hashes, there would be 2 to the power of 512 different possible outputs, which would make the chance of a random collision very, very, very small. One of the ways that cryptographic hashes get broken is that dedicated cryptographers find a way to force a collision. If they can do it in less than a couple of 100 million tries, the hash is probably not going to be very useful. Modern computers can run hash functions very, very quickly.